Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make Ube Custard Cake. Ube Custard Cake is a chiffon cake infused with ube flavor with a topping of sweetened milk and egg mixture known as custard or leche flan. Let's get baking! For the coating, we will need 1 cup of white granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. In a jug, combine the sugar and the water and stir them together. Microwave this on high for about 6 to 7 minutes or until the color changes to honey gold. Now, we will pour the caramel topping into an 8 by 3 inches baking pan. And we will set this aside. For the custard or the leche flan, we will need 6 egg yolks, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, or you can also use fresh milk, and 1 cup of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, combine the eggs, milk, condensed milk, and evaporated milk, and stir in the vanilla extract. Mix them together until well combined. Sift the custard mixture into the cake pan. And we will set this aside. For the cake mixture, we will need 1 cup of cake flour. If you don't have cake flour, you can make your own. Use 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Remove 2 tablespoons of it and swap it with 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix them together. And then we need 1/4 cup of milk, 4 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of ube extract, 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs and the sugar. Add the oil, milk, and the ube extract. Mix them together until well combined. Sift together the cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix them together until well combined. For the meringue, we will need 4 egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar. In another bowl, add the egg whites. Using a hand mixer on a medium setting, beat it until it's frothy. Add the cream of tartar and continue beating until you achieve a soft peak. Soft peak like this one. And we will add the sugar gradually while you continue beating until you achieve a stiff peak. Stiff peak like this. Put a bit of meringue into the mixture to loosen it a bit. Fold it like this. Pour the remaining meringue and fold them together until well combined. You have to be gentle in folding to prevent the air from deflating. Pour the cake mixture gently into our cake pan. Pour about 3 to 4 cups of boiling water into a roasting pan. Tap the cake for a bit before putting it into the roasting pan. Bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, I let this cool for about 30 minutes. And also, right halfway during the baking, I put aluminum foil on top of the cake to prevent it from burning. And here's our finished product! It's so beautiful, isn't it? This is actually my first time to make a custard cake that's not deformed. So I'm really happy with this. And before serving, chill it in the fridge first for at least 1 hour. Hope you'll try this recipe. It's really good. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!